as we look at numbers, those that we have on screen. So at the C level, your focus is really, on the numbers. This is above and beyond simply making life easy for the crew, automating reporting, strengthening compliance, etc. So, and you already talked about the user adoption, but perhaps anything else you want to add about these three key metrics? And again, I should say this, that, right at the outset, you made it clear that these are the types of parameters that are of paramount importance to you and the rest of the team.
Yeah, when you look at just the speed and the data integrity that's returned back to the enterprise, if you just look at the return equipment process, that could take us hours to get the data back to the individuals that needed it. Now with the iMarq product, with the iPad, the photographs are taken along with the equipment check-in form. It's submitted, it's kicked out to a distribution list so that all of the commercial, financial, and operations people are notified at once that this asset has indeed returned. Here's what it looks like. Here are the known faults. And so it's the speed at which it returns the data to the enterprise that's impressive. And when we talk about labor efficiencies and gains, that's one of the things that we looked at. We're always cognizant of the numbers, Satish, and we looked at what that would allow us to give back to the enterprise just from the simple return and shipping process. And so we do estimate that about 20% of our current labor time spent on the process will be returned to the enterprise.